Hi, I'm Wolf from Koslow Scientific Company, and today I'm going to show how to service your Passi-Probe. And if you're using your Passi Tester Kit 2026 and you feel that the probe needs to be serviced, you can do it yourself very easily. It's described in the instruction manual, but I'll show you the steps right now on how to do it. What we want to do is change the internal solution, and we want to remove the KT tip and then put fresh solution and a new tip on. What I have here is a blower. It's a common industrial blower. They come in many shapes and sizes, and I recommend that size. All right, let's drain the solution from the probe. I'm going to use a utility knife, and I'm going to cut away the transparent sleeve. It's a Teflon sleeve, and I'm going to allow the KT tip to fall away. So just a couple little slices like that is good. And then over a beaker or a trash can, then you slide the closure down to kind of get your fingernail under there, and you can see the solution comes right out. Okay. All right, it looks like I got all of the solution out. Next, you get out your part number 2026T, which is a heat shrinkable sleeve, and another tip, another porous KT tip. All right. Cool pro tip is use your pipette to hold the tip into place when using the blower, because sometimes the tip comes flying out when you pass air over it. The ideal temperature for this type of heat shrink is 420 degrees. Okay. All right, it'll take a couple seconds for it to cool down. While I'm waiting for that to cool down, I'm going to put in my fresh solution number 45. I fill it up within a ½ an inch of the filling hole. Well, that's good. And now I could put the closure back into place and dab off any moisture left on the outside of the glass. Then your utility knife. I'm going to cut off the extra Teflon. All right, you're looking for a snug, just the right amount of Teflon to cover the KT tip, and you could test it by giving a little tug on it. As long as it doesn't come off, maybe with your bare fingers, if it doesn't come off, then it's fine the way it is. Next, you want to shake out. See the bubble right there? That's a no-no. You really can't keep that bubble where it is. So we shake that out. I like to tap it against my finger. Okay, now that the bubble is gone, just give it a few minutes vertically. So you can leave it in a beaker or let it dangle off of your workbench for about 2 minutes. And that allows the liquid from the inside to go into the little tiny pores in the tip. After 2 minutes, the probe is ready to go. And just plug it into your Passi tester, and you can continue to test passivated stainless steel. Thank you very much for watching.